beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. Today's notification shout out goes to Alejandra. Thank you so much for showing me so much love. Quiero mucho. And if you guys want to be part of the notification squad, all you have to do is just hit that notification bell down below, and when I go live, comment. So today's video, I'm like extra excited about it because okay, so I received it and I seen that it was from Kokie, and I was like, oh, it's going to be their foundation, which it is. So this is, it says, hi Alexis, we hope you found your perfect match. Currently exclusive to select Rite Aids. And they sent me the foundations. This is how it came. Open it. And they sent me two shades. So they sent me this one, which is 60W. And then this one, which is 40W. So I'm not sure which one. So we're going to have to see right now. Just jump into this and just start. So this one is 60W. This is a full coverage lightweight foundation that delivers seamless matte complexion that will last all day. And it's like, it's the writing on the back is really pretty. That's why I had to go like that, because it's like in gold. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So the packaging is so freaking cute. Oh my goodness, I'm stoked, you guys. And I'm really thankful that they sent two shades just in case I'm not one of them, you know. So here is 60W. Oh, that feels really good. It smells really good too. It doesn't smell like perfumey. It's just like a pleasant smell. Oh, ooh, I think you guys did match me good. Okay, so this one is 60W. Let me grab a wipey. And it feels really good and like creamy. It feels really, really nice. So there's 60W, and then this one is 40W. Yeah, that one's a little bit too light. We could probably highlight with that one. But 60W, I think, is the one we are going to use. All right, so I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Baby Skin as my primer. And I'm just going to prime the areas that I want to blur. So like right here, my pores. And this really does a really amazing job as like giving me that blur effect. Okay, so one side we'll do brush, and then one side we will do beauty sponge. So I'm going to use the same sponge I did in my previous video, the Spicy Choco Beauty Blenders. They are super duper soft, super duper soft. And again, it feels like a really nice, kind of like a mousse texture. Just feels really nice and fluffy. All right, so let's go on our face. And I really like the way it smells. It smells really good. And then blend. It dried down a little bit to like a nice kind of like almost matte, not all the way because it has been a little bit time, but like a semi matte. Is that what it said? A semi matte? A seamless matte. Okay, full coverage foundation made in Italy. Yeah, right now it's not dried all the way down. It feels like a semi matte, but that looks nice. So I would say medium coverage, and I'm pretty sure we can definitely build it up. Let me show you guys. So here is foundation. No foundation. Foundation. No foundation. So this is my foundation brush from Juvia's Place. I really like the way it feels. Like I really like the way it feels. Like nice and creamy. Nice. I'm just gonna put the rest, and then I'm just going to blend this in my skin. I like how it smells. I'm like, okay. So I can't really see a difference with the brush versus the beauty sponge. I think they both look nice. Let me see. So here is brush side and beauty sponge side. I feel like I applied it pretty much the same. Like usually we see one has like more coverage, but looks pretty much the same in my opinion. Like I think, yeah, it's kind of funny, but it's okay. So I do want to build it up just a little bit, just to see if we can do like how it acts with like more coverage, you know. So I'm gonna go back in my forehead. Like this feels so freaking nice. Like it feels like velvet, like on your forehead, on your face. It just feels really nice and buttery. Let me just add that there. Yeah, that looks good. I think they did good with the match. I think they really did. Yeah, that looks good coverage wise. Yeah, like it looks nice. Like my skin looks really nice and smooth. I think I would have to go maybe, I don't know, you guys let me know. Do you think I should go a shade lighter? I don't know, but let's go in with the shade 40W, and I'm just going to use this to highlight underneath my eyes. Add some right there. Oh, I can't get over the smell, you guys. It smells really good. And let's just go in and just blend this and see how it looks on top of each other. Just gonna add a little bit more coverage with my ColourPop medium 26. I'm just going to add just a little, just like right there. Since we're using Kokie products, let's go Kokie. I feel so weird saying Kokie. So using the cream contouring palette, I will be going in with these two shades right here. I'm gonna go in and just grab some. I'm gonna be going in with my Pretty Vulgar setting powder, and the foundation already like dried down to a matte finish. It feels really, really nice. I'm going in with the powder contouring palette. I will be using these two shades right here. First, we're just going to warm up our face. Then we're just going to deepen the cheeks just a little bit. Okay, now for blush, I am going to go in with my Milani Bellamiso. I love that one. Now I'm going to go in with the Fix It Up Matte Setting Spray, long lasting. I'll go in with my mascara real quick. Okay, so now for lips, I'm just gonna go in with my Milani, and this is Teddy Bear. Okay, now going in with the L'Oreal Glowing Lip Gloss in Shall We Dance. That's pretty. Oh, we almost forgot highlight. Okay, now for highlight, going in with the JCat Beauty You Glow Girl, and this one is in Moonlight. Okay, so I'm all finished. Like, I feel like it matches me, but just like, I probably can go like one down. I don't know. But I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see. So here is my face. Forehead. 1-1. Ooh. It's 1 o'clock. I'm just going to continue my day, go throughout the day. I'm gonna run some errands, be outside with babies and stuff, and let's see how it holds up. I'm pretty excited to see how well it does hold up. And when I find more info about the prices and all that, I will definitely list them down below for you guys and all of that good stuff. And yeah, so I think it looks pretty good. Like, it looks pretty all right. Like, I like how my face looks. Face looks nice and smooth around the nose, because like foundation likes to cake up around there, and that looks pretty good. All right, so let's see how well it lasts throughout the day. Hopefully it's a good one. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. So it's now 3:10. I'm going to go out, run some errands with my babies, and I'm gonna go grab a snack, and I'll just let you guys know how everything is looking. But so far, so good. Like, it looks good. Natural daylight, it looks really good. It matches me really well. My face looks really nice and like just matte throughout like my whole face. It looks good. Looks good. And it's freaking hot today, where I think we're like 80, 89, almost 90, and it looks really good. Like, and it's matte. Like, I can touch my face, it's matte. My face doesn't feel oily, my nose doesn't feel oily, my forehead doesn't feel oily. Good so far. See, so it's like good. Like, everything looks good.
Just grabbing with my best sister.
So yeah, so at first I didn't think it was a good match, but now it looks good. We're outdoors. We're outside, natural daylight. It looks good. Everything looks nice. This is how the face is looking. It looks good so far. I'm liking it. It looks really nice, you guys. So stay tuned for the next update. Oh my gosh, you guys, I had so much pizza. Me duele mi panza. Okay, I'm trying to get a good view. There you go. All right, so it's now 5:42 and foundation is holding up. I don't even know how to zoom in with this camera. Foundation is holding up pretty good. My nose is getting a little oily, as you can see, but forehead looks good. Face looks good. Nothing to complain about yet. Nose is getting a little bit oily, but the foundation looks really, really good. Like it does. It looks really nice and flattering. I like how nice it. I don't know how to freaking position myself. Let's see how it looks out here. Oh yeah, I see. It looks nice and flattering and it matches really nice. See, the skin looks really good. People are probably like, what the heck? See, it looks really nice. So I'll give you guys more of an update when I get back home and I can do another check-in in front of the lights and stuff. But I like how it looks, you guys. It's wearing pretty alright. Just a little bit of oil right here in my nose. Not so much my chin and not my forehead, but so far, so good. 10:52. So it is now 10:52. It's the end of the night. I was gonna call it in around like 9, but God, it's so busy. So I think this foundation lasted pretty freaking well, you guys. Like looking at it, it looks really good. I did show you guys earlier some clips of like me out and about and like my nose looked a little bit oily, but that's like the only thing that got oily on my face was just right here. Not so much my forehead. Well, if it does have oil, like I can't even tell. And my chin, I can't even tell. I did get like a little creasing right here, just a little, like a hint, but it did fade on my nose, looking up close. Forehead, a little bit of settling, but nothing like, oh my gosh. Yeah, that's my only complaint. Not even bad. Not even bad. Not even bad. Like this foundation is going to be amazing. Like the packaging alone, like that is so freaking cute. Like look at that. It's, I want to say like a rose gold, I believe. I think that's like a rose gold, not even bronze, like a rose gold cap. This is glass. Looks really nice. Like wow, like drugstore. What? It looks really, really nice. Let me zoom in so I can show you guys. The nose has faded right here, but foundation is still on everywhere else. A little bit of oil, like just right here. Forehead looks freaking good. A little bit of settling, just like right there. Just bien chiquito. It settled a little bit right here, but nothing too crazy. Like look how good my foundation looks. Yes. Some of you have asked me where I got these blotting sheets. I got them from my friend Sin when I was out in California, and I'm not sure, but it has a lot in here. When I visited her, she had 2 packs and she's like, here, you want one? And I was like, yeah. So it's lasted me quite a while because it's been a minute since I've seen Sin. But I'm just going to show you guys the oil that I have on my nose. See, it's just like my nose right there, and that is the oil that I have on my nose. You can see what's on my forehead. If I have anything on my forehead. Yeah, you see I had some on my forehead, but you couldn't even tell like how you could tell my nose. I didn't get oily right here because my T-zone right here have combination skin. Just my T-zone is the one that gets oily, but my nose is like the shiner and gives it away. But other than that, if I were to blot, boom, done. Because you can't even see the creasing in my forehead now. So like it's like blotting that away. Boom, you can't even see the creasing on my forehead now. Good to go. So just like blotting throughout the day. Woo. So they have a lot of good products in their line. I really like them. They're really, really affordable. So when you guys see these and you're like, they're good, they're definitely really good. I like the formula. I like how nice it felt. It was like really nice mousse texture. It's matte. It looked really, really good. If you have combination skin, I think you are going to love it. Just blot throughout the day. I think if I would have blot, it would have been perfect. Boom, done. And it wasn't really that bad where it's like, oh my God, like, no. It was like, oh, okay, you just need to go in with a blotting sheet and then you're good to go. So do I recommend them? Yes. Give them a try. If you guys see them at Rite Aid, give it a try, give it a go, and I hope you guys enjoy it just as much as I did. I was like, the packaging, you guys, is so freaking cute. Like, look at that, the packaging. And their other foundation that I did try out, see, it has a black lid, and this one, it's really, really pretty. I like it. I like it a lot. It's so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updating my videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.